guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, it's Marissa again, and I hope everyone is doing well. I'm still catching up on my videos here, and today we are going to work on our January, guys. I'm actually gonna be updated on my Kiwi Lane Club kits as soon as we get this done. So let's open the box. This is the first one for the year. Just Peachy. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my gosh, looking so cute already. Oh wow. So we have 3 templates for this kit, it looks like. And as usual, guys, we have some sale on these 2 kits, the tiny wildflower and the springtime, 15% off until the end of this month, January 31st, 2020. So let's go through this and see what we can use and play here. Oh wow. Oh, I like that they have this. They are protecting the ends now. Thank you, guys. We appreciate that. So let's start with the templates real quick. OMG, this looks really cool. I like this big, well, they call it the sash banner. Looks like it's an a la carte, and I actually like that they're bigger right now. The things are bigger, the templates are bigger, and so this is the a la carte sash, and then we have the a la carte hummingbird. Oh, how cute! And then we have the a la carte peach. Thank you for this. Thank you. I've been wanting to have a peach shape template. So there you go. And then we have our cards. So guys, let's start with the 3x4 and going through it fast as normal. And then we're doing the 4x4s. And then the 4x6s. Okay guys, let's move on to the papers. I'm so excited. I've been itching to get to them. Oh my gosh, one thing I really love about the kits that we have from Kiwi Lane is that we have the pattern papers coordinating with the theme, and the rest, what I love about them are the prints are very neutral, so you can use them for other things and other scrapbooking themes that you have. Anyway guys, let me think of a layout and I will get back with you. I'm back, you guys. So I had this layout in mind for a couple of days now. It's a very simple layout. Well, I'm working for it to be masculine. In the meantime, I'm only going to be using 3 papers. Plus, we're only using, yes, 2 templates. We're going to use the a la carte sash. I'm going to use scallops 3A for this layout too. Let's start tracing. Okay guys, it's time to cut. So I'm planning this out, and then from where I want this to be layered, I'm going to cut an inch from this edge to this edge. So I'm just going to mark my line here where I want it to get tacked on, and then measure from there to down here an inch. My cutter has, or my trimmer has that 1 inch after there, after, you know, right here. So I'm going to line, that mark that I made with my pencil to the 1 inch on that side. So let's do that now. There you go. And then what I'm going to do is cut about 1/2 inch accent. This is very dirty right now, but I'm gonna fix it. Like, if you notice, I created two. I lined up where I thought, you know, I just kind of eyeballed everything, and I didn't have a ruler handy, so I used my what do you call this, bone folder, to create straight-ish lines. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna cut both of them, and then I'm gonna layer both of them, and I'll show you how I'm gonna do that. So guys, I made a mistake. The orientation of the banner or the sash that I created is not right. I should have done it this way. What I wanted was, this was going to be the back, the front, and then where it folds, where the template folds here, I wanted to show the blue here. I can do it another way, where I can just take this triangles here and cut them from the scraps, but I don't want to do that because I want to be able to layer them. So what I wanted was this orientation for this blue sash. So what I'm gonna do is, so I won't get confused again, I'm gonna go do it this way, turn this over, and then do it on this side. The blue side of this paper would match the green side of the paper. So what I'm going to do here is lightly erase the pencil marks that we created. At least have that faint line there, and then we're going to hopefully be able to shadow it with some of the ink. What I plan to do is hopefully be able to like do this. So that there is that marking over there. We'll see what we can do. So let's ink this first. Let's ink the edges first. I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to lightly ink this. So I guess I'm just gonna have to do it a very, you know, just tap lightly on it, just so you know you'll see the faint fold. You see it, guys? I tap very lightly on it on the fold. So just tapping very lightly so it'll show a bit. And there you go. And then you have your title banner, if you will. And then I'll just put them together. And where there are going to be points where, you know, because you can't cut perfectly. You just I will just trim this down later. But right now, I just wanted to make sure that this is all tacked down. Okay, I'm just lining this up, guys, as best I can. All right, so you see where there will be some peeking of the paper there. All you have to do is just trim it, and that's what I'm planning to do. I'm gonna do here is just to trim it so that it's the green that shows and not the blue, and all, because I only want the blue on this bottom part here. I'm gonna put this on top here. Now I'm going to put my picture down here. I found this Life is Beautiful. This is a fancy pants. This is a very old chipboard sticker, and we're gonna spell handsome. I'm happy with that. So let's start with the H. Sometimes what I do is I put my own adhesive on them. The only reason for that is even if they already have adhesive, is sometimes the adhesive on the stickers don't really last long. And being where I live, where it's dry, the air is dry, I have had incidences where my my letters actually fall off the layout. So I figured reinforce them with another glue. Okay guys, and now we're going to tack this down. I'm using here glue, wet glue, because I want to be able to move it a bit if it's not centered, because this, my dear friends, is the title, and I want to make sure that it is centered and not too high, because as it is, these two elements are already filling the layout, I mean the 12 by 12. So, sorry I don't have any pictures yet because I cannot make up my mind what pictures to put on. The kit is Peachy Keen, but look what I did. It's nothing to do with peaches, but it is a handsome layout, I hope, if you think the same way that I do. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your continued support and, you know, making your comments. I hope you are having a wonderful 2020. I know we're just on basically a couple weeks in, but I hope so far 2020 is being nice and kind to you guys. So that's it guys. I do appreciate you guys, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Thumbs up please if you love or like this this layout, and that's it. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you later. Bye.